everyone, welcome to the channel Foxtrot Adventures. My name is Mike. Please join my friends Eric, Bill, who's behind the camera, and I as we explore the more than 60 miles of trails and 38 parks at Lake Metroparks properties located throughout Lake County, Ohio.
Thanks, Mike. Today we're at Concord Woods Nature Park. This is kind of a headquarters park for Lake Metroparks. Behind us is the administrative offices, and over to my right is the ranger headquarters. Like you said, today we're at Concord Woods Nature Park. It's a small park. While we're doing the video, you're going to realize there's a lot of truck traffic because we're right along I-90. So it's a small park of 31 acres, has basic amenities. No running water, so if you're going to need a water bottle, make sure you have it filled before you get here. Nice fireplace and vault toilets.
Let's go hit the trail, Eric.
One of my favorite features here at Concord Woods Nature Park is just this, the pond. It's a great place for sunrise photos, basically from late fall to early spring. When there isn't ice here, a great place for waterfowl because there's a combination of ducks, geese here. Occasionally you'll get to see the beaver that comes up from another part of the park. We're back here at the picnic shelter here at Concord Woods. Keeping warm by the fire. It's a chilly day today. Concord Woods again is a short, easy, flat, about a 3/4 mile loop trail. Photographically, the one thing I love here is that it makes for really nice sunrises coming over the pond.
These fires aren't too bad either.
Keeping warm.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And we'll be back out on the trail again soon, and we'll see you Wednesdays at 7 o'clock at Foxtrot Adventures.